Today we're installing the Flex speaker. First, open the box and place the speakers on the wall. The magnetic backing allows them to securely hold in place. If the audiologist who will be doing the testing is present, confirm the placement and desired height of the speakers. Then, using the supplied tape measure, measure from the floor to the bottom of each speaker and make sure the left and the right speakers are set at exactly the same height. Once the speakers are in place, use at least one of the supplied screws to secure each speaker to the booth wall using the pre-drilled mounting holes for added stability. Next, use the supplied speaker cable and attach one end of the speaker cable to the screw-down terminal on the Flex speaker. Then, route your cables out of the booth toward the audiometer location. Lastly, connect the speaker cable to your audiometer. For a GSI AudioStar Pro or Interacoustics Evo system, use the supplied adapter to convert the speaker wires. For audiometers with direct speaker terminals, such as the Interacoustics Equinox or Madsen Astera, simply connect the cables directly. And that's it. You're now ready to calibrate the speaker for sound field testing. And as a final check, make sure the speakers are securely mounted and that the left and the right channels are wired correctly. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to reach out to us at 512-777-0016, and thank you for choosing Flex.